In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage community email notifications on Glassdoor. Email settings 2026. We'll start at the very beginning. Open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. This walkthrough is designed for the desktop site, but the flow is similar on mobile web. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account. Keep this part quick. Use your preferred login method and proceed straight to your dashboard. There's no need to enter or say any personal details here. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Notifications. This is where Glassdoor centralizes all alerts related to your activity and community interactions. So making changes here will immediately influence what hits your inbox. Inside the notification settings, find the section labeled Community. Click it to expand the options. Community notifications cover discussions, post activity, and updates tied to the people and topics you engage with on Glassdoor. Expanding this section lets you fine-tune what you hear about and how often. Next, locate the email area within the community options. You might also see other channels like push or in-app notifications nearby, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on what arrives in your email. Make sure you're looking specifically at the email settings so you're adjusting the right channel. Now you'll see a set of toggles you can turn on or off. Highlights from people you follow surfaces notable posts or updates from accounts you've chosen to keep an eye on. Turn this on if you want curated updates, or off if you prefer to check in manually. Relevant conversations and trending content broadens the scope to include popular discussions Glassdoor thinks you'll care about. Disable it if you want a quieter inbox. Comments on your posts ensures you're notified when others respond to content you've shared, which is helpful for staying engaged without constantly checking the app. Replies to your comments alerts you when a conversation you've joined continues, making it easier to follow threads you've already participated in. As you toggle these options, changes save automatically. There's no extra save button to press, so once you flip a switch, consider it applied. This autosave behavior helps you adjust quickly and avoid losing your preferences. That's it. By visiting Glassdoor, signing in, opening your profile menu, navigating to notifications, expanding community, finding the email section and adjusting those toggles, you've tailored your inbox to match how you want to engage. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more intentional email experience.